Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. In this one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today we're going to look at their AI engineer functionality. They have updated it, they have upgraded it, and we're going to focus on AI building AI. I know it sounds pretty cool, right? Kind of sci-fi, sort of futuristic, but it's here, and the crew at Abacus AI and the ChatLLM Teams, well, they deliver the goods, and they've done it again. Let's dig in. Let's take a look. All right, so to get started using AI Engineer, piece of cake, head over to the website like I've done here. Up at the top here, you'll see ChatLLM. Just click on it, and presto, here we go. I will put a link in the description below, and do note here that it's only $10 per user per month. I tell you that because ChatGPT alone by itself is $20 a month, and this comes with 100 times more things than you get with the ChatGPT subscription. And I've got 50 videos or more showing you that. So here we go. Click on Get Started, log in, let's go. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. The first thing I like to do, hit that little down triangle and check us out here. You've got access to all of the state-of-the-art large language models here. GPT-4o, Sonnet 3.5, O3 Mini, High, O1, DeepSeek. It's all in here. However, for this tutorial, what I want to do is I want to go to the bottom here and click on AI Engineer. When you do that, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. We have two options. We can create a custom chatbot, and I have made multiple videos about this, and this is a component of the AI Engineer, or we can create an AI agent, which is what I'm going to focus on in this tutorial. Guys, it's all in here. Click on Create an AI Agent. Watch this here. Here we go. It's going to open this up. It's going to create an AI agent. It's going to give us some options here. So let's just keep going here. We can either create our own custom specifications. For those of you that are a little bit more advanced, go ahead and click on that. For those of you that are like me and like to go the no-code, low-code route, click on Select a Template. Now we're going to take a look at a couple options. The first one I'm going to show you is Research Assistant Agent, and then I'm going to show you Portfolio Tracker Agent. Do keep in mind that you can create all kinds of stuff. This is just a tip of the iceberg, but it's awesome. Let's dig in. All right, here we go. So keep in mind that the AI Engineer uses R1, the brand new R1 that just came out a few weeks ago. It uses O3 Mini High, which is the deluxe version of OpenAI's O3 Mini, and it also uses Sonnet 3.5. So it uses all the best stuff here. All right, now let's dig in. The first thing I like to do here is I'm going to select the template like I mentioned here earlier. Now I'm going to click on a research agent here. So we got a research assistant agent, and watch this here. It is so easy to use. It is literally one click and go here. So let's go ahead and just click on submit. Watch this here. It's going to submit a form. It's already done it. And here it goes. It's gathering the code and it's cooking it right in front of us. And it is completely transparent. You can audit the code. It shows you exactly what it's doing. I love it. The whole reasoning trace transparency thing is a big thing in the Twitterverse and the X.com or the XAI-verse, and you know what? ChatLLM has it in spades. So there we go. It's executing the code, and again, you can dig right into it. You can also copy the code, so if you're a little bit of a coder type, you can go ahead and take that and use it as you see fit. It's basically doing it right now. It's going to take a few seconds here. I'm going to come back when it's done, and then we're going to show you how to go ahead and set up emails, alerts. We're going to retrieve papers. It's pretty wild. Be right back. All right, welcome back. So take a look at this here. Again, we're in the AI Engineer. Check this out. Again, on the left side here, it went ahead and gave us all the code, all of the information as to what it did, how it executed it. But on the right side here, you'll see here that we've got our nice little artifact window opened up here where we can take a look in depth at the workflow, or alternatively, we can click on View Agent. Also, you can go ahead and close this window if you want, but I want to dig in a little here. So let's click on View Agent. And check this out. Here is the research agent. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create about artificial intelligence because I'm original like that. And again, if you've seen my previous videos, you can see the changes to the design, to the workflow, to the UX, UI. It's here. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and pick a subject, artificial intelligence, because I'm original. And then I'm going to have it sent to my email, curtis@kingy.ai. That's my email address. Watch this. I'm just going to click on submit, and you'll see here that it's loading, and presto, that's literally all you need to do to go ahead and create your own AI engineer, your own little agent. Now, there is another step. If you want email sent to you, I'm going to let it do its thing here. I'm going to come back when that's ready, show you that. In fact, it's already ready. Look at that here. Look at this here. You can already see here that these are the options. Here we go. Link 1. There's LServe is an efficient design system. Okay, sounds fancy. Paper 2. And let's get these now sent to my email. How do you do that? Well, watch this. Here we go. All right, so here are the papers, and if I look up here, it actually already says here that it sent it to my email. So you don't have to do anything else. You just have to go check your email. And when I go into my email right here, let's open up Safari, inbox. Here we go. Weekly research paper summaries from archive, which is exactly what I want. And it didn't send me one paper. It sent me 5 papers with clickable links, as you can see here. FR spec, accelerating large vocabulary, large language models. Wow. Fancy term, fancy paper. It did exactly what I wanted it to. That's the first one, guys. Let me show you now a portfolio tracker. This one's going to blow your mind. All right, here we are. We're back on the main page here. I'm going to show you a second way to access the AI Engineer. It's pretty wild. Just click over here on this toggle side nav or sidebar, and then down here at the bottom, you're going to see AI Engineer. Click that button. Presto, we are back in business. I'm going to close that side nav here, and let's create a second agent. Let's go for it here. Create an AI agent. And now, while it does that, keep in mind that you can connect with things like JIRA and all these other different apps out there. I'm just going to show you a couple examples, but there are tons of different things that you can do, especially clicking on custom specifications. But let's go ahead and look at another example here. So I'm going to select a second template. I'm going to go down to Portfolio Tracker Agent. I love this one because it allows you to track multiple stocks. So do we want to make this autonomous? I think we do, but well, actually, let's just leave it off for now. But just keep in mind that you can make it autonomous if you're so inclined and you want like daily update emails. But again, I'm going to show you the technique here. You can season it to however you see fit here. So I've submitted the form, and here we go. It's executing the code for us. Let's go down a little bit here. It executes it in real time, and it shows you what it's doing. For you super techie types out there, you coder types, this is beautiful. It even registers the agent here, so you can see that it's registering it. Now, let me give it a few seconds here when it's done cooking, and we're going to start adding in some of our stock picks. All right, here we go. So it's gone ahead and created our portfolio tracker agent using the AI Engineer functionality. Perfect. Now you'll see here, this looks a little bit intimidating, but do not worry. This is the technical details here. You can go through the left side and read through it. You can close these, you can increase and decrease the size of these tabs, the artifact window as you see fit here with them. But what I like to do, it's very simple here, is I'm a simple guy. I'm going to go to View Agent and check this out here. Let's go ahead and full screen this. Stock ticker, we can just go ahead and add in our stock. So NVDA, click on add. Notice that you can add in multiple stocks. So if you had another one, Goog maybe, whatever the heck, just feel free to add them in. And also keep in mind that when you're done, you can click on submit. Oh, I've got 2 here. You can click on submit. It will go ahead and then create so that you can get daily, weekly updates. You can basically start your day off with an AI paper with a stock ticker input so you know what your stocks are doing. This is what the AI Engineer functionality does out of the box. It's absolutely fantastic. You can create your own custom AI Engineer, your own AI agents, and there's also so many other things that I haven't put in this video. AI image generation, AI video generation, AI code generation. It's all in here. AI voice generation. ChatLLM Teams has literally everything. It is the best multimodal AI agent AI software on the market, in my honest opinion, and it's worth a look. Click on the link in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.